Hello there. I wanted to talk a bit about time management because I forgot yesterday. So, yeah, I totally forgot. So I want to talk about time management when you are starting your business. Sometimes as well it's necessary to go through this even when you are an expert in your business, if that makes sense. So I'll go through the Zero to Business time management slide today. And remember, my groups on Facebook are for people that have been in business for a long time. They are quite successful already. And this might be, quite early stages for them. And at the same time, if this video is good for you, you might not feel like you fit inside of my mastermind or on my Facebook groups, on my private Facebook groups, don't hesitate to reach out or comment below to see if you can be part of the groups. But if you're just starting and you would like to have my support, do feel free to go to my OnlyFans account. In my OnlyFans account, what I'm doing is motivation, okay? I am spreading love, spreading happiness, and mindset videos. I opened that account for all of you, the ones that cannot actually afford my services because they are over the 5 figures, meaning over 1,000 per hour. Well, it's actually 500 per hour, but whatever. So for the people that cannot afford my support, I decided to open this OnlyFans account where you can just chat with me, okay? And once a day, I'll go there. I'll answer to all of you. So if you want to grow, if you want a coach that is very cheap, that's where you need to go right now. Go to my OnlyFans. That's where you want to go and grow. Also, anybody that just wants to tell me I am absolutely beautiful or random stuff like that, if you want me to answer and to actually get to know me and have a conversation, that's also the same place that you have to go. Okay? Now, let's get cracking. Time management for me, it's time management for happiness, but for new business owners, you can't, that's a sentence of me, okay? But you can't manage time, but you can manage how you use your time, okay? And then that's everything. Time management does not exist. Priority management, that's the thing. So what we want to do is we want to figure out which are our real priorities in life and which are our real priorities in business. When we've got those two, then we can sort things out. Facebook won't have me this time. So list what you actually already do daily. Oh, but I do so many things. So what? List it. I wake up. I cuddle with my dogs. Well, I usually wake up, pee, go back to bed, cuddle with my dogs. Write it down to the point, and I go to bed. Now you do different things daily, Monday to Friday. Write it as well. Okay? Because I want you to find out all the fluff and things that are unnecessary and the things that make you unhappy. And you do plenty of them every single day. And until we self-analyze, we cannot self-correct. Okay, when you've got all the tasks you meant to do, or you are already doing every single day, get a marker and put there which ones generate revenue for your business and the rest don't. Okay, well, IP, no revenue. And when you've got those that bring revenue, you need to figure out which one, or up to three that you must perform every single day to make sure, okay, that they get you closer to your goals. So, what is the task that if I do it every single day, I am going to be closer to my business goals? It might take more than one single day for you to answer this, and that's absolutely fine. But you need to think about this and you need to answer it. Then you need to check anything that is not on those like 3 tasks. You need to see if you can automate or delegate them. Okay? We usually can automate or delegate many more tasks than we think. And many times we freak out when we are on early stages, thinking that we cannot automate or delegate anything because it costs money. And there's so much people looking to delegate what you're an expert at, but they are experts in something you need to delegate. So please do not freak out about I do not have money now, because there's one beautiful thing called synergy, and you can synergize as well. Then you need to find the fluff. The fluff is the most important thing. We add fluff to everything. Fluff, fluff, fluff. What can I do to not do what I'm meant to do? Find it and eliminate. So which tasks can you eliminate of that list? And how much time do you invest in tasks that do not generate any revenue? Is it absolutely necessary that you do them yourself? How much time do you invest in tasks that bring you happiness every single day? Do you invest any? Have you even identified which of those things you do every single day bring you happiness and which ones bring you unhappiness? When you identify those tasks that make you feel uneasy or make you feel unhappy, you need to try to get rid of them, delegate them, hand them over to somebody else, or reduce them to the minimum amount. You need to find out what's natural for you. What are you just naturally good at? And what do you love the most? What, makes you shine when you're doing it? Now, after you've answered all those questions, you need to create a new daily task list. You need to rearrange what you do every single day. It won't be easy, it won't take just one day. But you need to slowly rearrange what you do every single day to focus on your zone of genius, on what's naturally good. No, on what you are naturally good at. When you focus on your zone of genius, you will generate much more income because you start doing what you're good at. You start shining brighter and people comes to you and money comes to you as well. And that's it. I was going to say, and extra notes. No, I was joking. Let's put this back. I hope I recorded it properly because I was like, in my own head now, just talking and enjoying, explaining all this. So, as you can see, we cannot manage our time. We can manage what we do with it. And now you need to see within, what the fuck am I doing with my own time? Do I use my time in a way that makes me happy? Do I use my time in a way that benefits me? Do I use my time in a way that makes me uneasy, unhappy, and grumpy? I can't answer those for you. Only you can do that. So, go analyze yourself and come back to me if you need anything. As you know, please for chatting, questions, anything that is not a super success client, please go to OnlyFans. Okay, there is where I have opened an account where you can have 100% access to me super cheap, and I will support your journey to happiness and success. Love you loads and speak to you soon.